Hey Paul, here we go. This is the classic size, so 150. On the big size it'll be 180. This is 80 deep. The big size will be getting on a metre at 98. So I've just done the maths on classic, a Big Joe 3, which is deeper than this model. We will have 25 centimetres from here to where this shelf goes in its lowest bracket. So 25 centimetres inside, taking us to this box here, which is designed to accommodate the slow roller and a couple of grills if you want, even when it's assembled. But you know, the slow roller, when you take it out, collapses down as well. So this shelf will be down here, which will make it not matching this one, because this one is fixed at 50-50, and you get both these each side on the big one, each of which is 33 centimetres. So you see I've got all griddles there. We get 4 bags of charcoal in yours if you really want to. All your covers and everything. I've got that one there as barric oak, the darker one, but there's all the, come down and see us and I can show you all the samples of the laminates, that one being my favourite, and thank you very much.